Hello children, I am Jocelyn from Penguin Class. How are you all doing? I am sure you are having lots of fun at home. Today, let's do something more. Let's be chefs. We will make some quick, sweet and tangy and tasty snacks. For these, we will require Monaco biscuits, Marie biscuits, 2 cheese slices, a tomato, a cucumber, carrot, pizza topping. In case you don't have pizza topping, you can shift it with chaat masala, tomato sauce, banana, jam and cherries. Let's start making it. With your pencil, cut these veggies and fruits into thin slices. Now let's start making.
With your parents' help, get the tomato, cucumber, carrot and banana cut into slices. Cut these cheese slices into 4 pieces.
Let's start making. Take some Monaco biscuits. Now arrange cheese slice on top of each biscuit. Carrot on top of cheese. Cucumber, tomato slice, one above the other like a small tower. Top your small tower with some tomato ketchup and pizza toppings. Let's start making sweet snack now. Take some Marie biscuit. Spread jam on one side of each biscuit like this. Now place a banana in between 2 biscuits like this. Top it with the cherry. Your sweet snack is ready. Here we have tangy snack and a sweet snack. Make this easy and tasty snack and enjoy with your family. Make sure you let us know how you enjoyed this activity. Bye until next time.